Understanding, close up the house, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase, close up the house. This phrase is common in English, but it might sound a bit confusing if you're not familiar with its context and usage. By the end of this video, you'll understand what it means, how to use it, and in what situations it's appropriate. Let's dive in. Close up the house refers to the process of securing a home before leaving it unattended for a significant period. This could be for a vacation, a long trip, or perhaps when moving to another place for a while. The phrase emphasizes the idea of making sure the house is safe, secure, and well-maintained in the owner's absence. It's not just about locking the doors. It involves a series of steps to ensure the home remains in good condition. Closing up the house typically involves several important steps. Here are some common ones. 1. Locking all doors and windows, ensuring that all possible entry points are secured to prevent unauthorized access. 2. Turning off utilities. Depending on how long you'll be away, you might consider turning off water, gas, or electricity to avoid accidents. 3. Managing mail and deliveries. Pausing mail delivery or asking someone to collect it for you, so it doesn't pile up and signal that the house is empty. 4. General maintenance. This could include cleaning gutters, setting up timers for lights to simulate occupancy, or arranging for lawn care. Each of these steps helps protect the house and can also provide peace of mind while you're away. The phrase, close up the house, is typically used when discussing preparations for leaving a house for an extended period. It's a phrase that might come up in conversations with neighbors, family, or friends who are checking in on your plans or offering to help. For example, you might say, "We're closing up the house for the winter," to explain why you're busy or unavailable. Understanding phrases like, close up the house, can really help in grasping the nuances of English. It's not just about the literal meaning but also about the context and the actions associated with it. We hope this video has shed some light on this interesting phrase and that you feel more confident using it in your conversations. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe for more helpful English language tips. See you in the next video.